You've left packing till the last minute. Again, now that you think about it, it just seems to be part of your routine. But remember last time, when you forgot your swimsuit and had to borrow your sister's? We're not going to let that happen. Here are the important documents and money that you should bring on a trip to a Caribbean resort vacation. Passport, Idaho, license, medical and vaccination records, hotel reservation confirmation, insurance information, plane ticket info, credit cards, and cash. Here are some pieces of clothing that you should definitely remember to pack. Swimsuits, cover-up, beach towel, dresses or dress shirts, tank tops, shorts, formal dress, sandals, heels for a night out, or dress shoes, walking shoes, flip-flops, socks, underwear, bras, rain jacket, or umbrella hat. Don't forget to pack these toiletries. Soap, shampoo, conditioner, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, lotion, aloe sunscreen, contact lenses or glasses, cosmetics and makeup, face wash, razor and shaving cream, lip balm with SPF, hand sanitizer, and any medication you take. These are the electronics you should bring. Phone and phone charger, camera and charger, batteries, laptop and accessories, Bluetooth speaker, and adapters. Let me know in the comments what other essentials I left out. I'll see you in paradise.